Hey everyone, so if you want to use Google Translate on your computer, whether for work, study, or just quick translations, yeah, it's actually super easy once you know where everything is. I'll show you how to use all the main features, step by step. First, open your browser and go to Google Translate. You can just search for it or type the website directly. Now choose your source language on the left and your target language on the right. If you're not sure, you can set it to Detect Language. Type or paste your text into the left box, and the translation will appear instantly on the right side. You can click the speaker icon to hear how the translation sounds. This is really useful for learning pronunciation. If your browser supports it, you can click the microphone icon and speak instead of typing. Just allow microphone access when prompted. You can also upload documents like PDFs or Word files. Google Translate will translate the entire document for you. Once your translation is ready, you can copy it or save it for later if you're signed in. And that's it. Now you know how to use Google Translate on your computer like a pro. It's fast, simple, and really powerful once you start using all the features.